As a professional photographer, we need to transfer and edit a large number of high-resolution videos and images every day. So we have various memory cards that we have to fiddle around with and carry different card readers. This is very inconvenient and time-consuming. Introducing ANYOYO, a 4-in-1 card reader that solves all these problems. It transfers high-resolution photos, videos at 10 gigabytes per second on almost all memory cards. It slips into your pocket for you to take anywhere. ANYOYO is the world's first memory card reader equipped with both CFast and CF Express slots. With the intelligent chip, it can transfer 10 gigabytes of 4K video in 1 second and from 3 cards simultaneously. Just take the card out and slip it into ANYOYO and instantly start transfer, edit, and share your photos or videos. No driver needed. And you can access different memory cards on USB-C and USB-A enabled devices. Use 9 cards simultaneously with an expandable hub. ANYOYO. Create more interesting images while making life easier.